Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ontario Vintage Tractor. We are at the farm today. We are going to be repairing some of our broken hay wagons. Well, getting started on it anyway. Looks like it's going to be the only nice day this week to make an attempt at it. If it's your first time tuning in, thanks for checking out the channel. If you could hit the subscribe button down at the bottom, really help the channel grow. Stay tuned, and here we go. Alright, so we're going to dive into this wagon. As you can see, it's collapsed down in the center here. The other one behind us, that's our good wagon. That was built out of two big fir beams. This one was doubled up 2x10s, which proved definitely not to be enough. So we're going to get some good beams milled. Butler Outdoors is going to do it for us out of a couple of trees. We'll definitely have some footage of that. I apologize for the wind noise, but let's get to work. So here's the bottom where it's split. We're gonna have to tear this wagon right down so we can start from scratch and rebuild. Okay, well, we got the wagon stripped. It did have a bit of a bow in it from sitting like that over the winter time, so we've got it supported in the center now. That way it will naturally start to regain shape till we can get Andrew out here from Butler Outdoors to mill us a couple beams. That's all we got for Ontario Vintage Tractor today. I want to thank you for watching, and again, if you could pound that subscribe button down in the corner, really help the channel grow. So thanks for tuning in, and have a great day.